How to set up Cash App donation on Twitch. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a Cash App donation to your Twitch account. First thing you do is go to your web browser and then simply search for twitch.tv and make sure to log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you first need to go ahead and click on the profile icon. And then from here, you want to go to your channel. Once you are here, go to the About section, and then you will see all of the options like your channel bio and social links. Click on Add Panels, Edit Panels, and then here you will be able to add a custom panel for your Twitch account. Click on this Add button, then add a text or image panel. Now you're going to have to add an image here, so let me just go ahead and select an image that I have just downloaded. So once you have downloaded the image, just make sure that it fits here. So click on Done. This I have just recently downloaded from Google. You could do the same thing. And I'm just going to name it Cash App. Then to link your Cash App, what you're going to have to do is just go ahead and type in Cash App dot Cash App / and then you just need to enter your Cashtag. So something like this. And once you get your Cashtag, you could just go ahead and copy your link to your address. Something like this will appear. And then you can copy the link address, go here, and then paste the link here. Type in your Cashtag, and then tap on Submit. So once you've done that, you should be good to go. That's how you basically connect your Cash App to your Twitch account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.